I'm in Walmart right now, and it goes beyond them saying that I'm not in college, but they're lying about me being able to read. When I read, it sets off alarms because they're calling me my mom, and they have my mom at a point where this started years ago. Like, my mom reads like a blank grader. Okay, the demons posing as my mom, they read at a really really low level. Okay, and I know this because I've witnessed it, and because we talk. Okay, we don't talk right now. You know, I haven't spoken to her since 2019. I'm waiting on customer service to open. I'm at Walmart. I haven't had any sleep, so I decided to try to make something out of the morning and get a head start on a couple of things. Because ideally, this should get out tomorrow. Well, by the weekend. Um, but um, yeah, when I start reading, it's some these motherfuckers lose their mind, and I'm talking about this takes place when I'm inside my house alone. And when it comes to public stuff, like, they shut it completely down. Like, they're doing the most right now while I'm trying to log into this app. I put this password in twice, and I've tried to access this app straight from the school. Now, normally the app will open right away on its own, and it's not doing that right now. They're really trying to keep me from reading this book. And if I log in, they're not even letting me go to the login anymore. Like, I put my credentials in on more than one occasion, probably 3 times, my username and password, and now it's not even letting me get to that screen. I don't have an account. I always access through the school. And I do have the app. They gave me an issue with that last night also. Trying to get into it. Like, they had offloaded it. Like, literally had hacked it. Changed things on my phone, and that you've seen that time and time again. But they had offloaded the app, so I had to download it again, so to speak. They did the same with this Word app, and I had to jump through so many hoops with the Word app, and this is because my laptop, they broke it kind of. They're not allowing me not operating, that's what he's using to sacrifice for not having to show up every day. So, this here, oh shit. But yeah, I had to jump through so many hoops for this. Why does that say that? And again, you see, they're not allowing this to work from the classroom. Let me try a different chapter. taking credit. The passing employees wasn't enough. Okay, and it's 7:01. Customer service should be open now. Let me position this buggy so that it puts some space between me and it, because you know they like to get up on you. If you really